Hi everyone, welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're completely unpacking the ultimate pragmatic guide to generating flexible, zero-capital online income. If you're a busy college student or honestly just anyone juggling a crazy schedule and you want to start building an online business totally from scratch, you're exactly where you need to be. We're going to bridge that gap between making some quick pocket money and building a real sustainable online business. And we're doing it using insights straight from our source materials. Let's get into it. So here's the thing. The absolute biggest hurdle most people face when they even think about starting an online business is this nagging belief that it takes a massive upfront investment. But what if you could earn extra cash in those random 30-minute windows between classes without spending a single dime to start? No way, right? Well, actually, that's exactly where our journey begins today. We are looking at a literal roadmap that takes you from zero risk to actual revenue. All right, moving on to Section 1, Student Income Opportunities and the Campus Survey Analogy. So, the very first rung on this income ladder is website testing and paid surveys. Now, you're probably wondering, why in the world would anyone pay me just to click around or answer a few questions? Well, it's actually super simple. Companies are more than happy to pay for your authentic feedback because it saves them an absolute fortune down the line. Think about it. By paying you a few bucks to test $1 million app first, they avoid making extremely expensive design mistakes before ever releasing it to the public. These are basically digital micro-tasks, and they are literally perfect for filling those small, awkward gaps in your day without needing any specialized skills at all. Let's think about this using a classic campus analogy. You know the drill. We've all been walking across the quad when a super stressed out senior begs you to fill out a survey for their thesis in exchange for a free cup of coffee, right? Well, user experience or UX testing is exactly like that. But instead of the internet giving you a free coffee, companies are giving you actual real cash deposited right into your PayPal account. You're just providing the digital equivalent of that quick thesis feedback. It's a total win-win. The workflow for this is incredibly simple too. It's designed to have basically zero friction. First up, you sign up for a legitimate free platform. Second, you spend maybe 10 or 20 minutes testing a site, playing around on an app, or just answering a survey. And third, you get paid, usually through PayPal, or sometimes they'll hook you up with digital gift cards. It's just a straightforward, honest exchange of your time and your opinion for direct compensation. Let's check out Section 2, List of Extra Money Platforms. Let's talk about where to actually get paid. So where do you actually go to do this stuff? The internet is massive, and you really need to know which platforms actually value your time. Well, let's break it down. Platforms like Trimata offer a great mix of usability testing and surveys with a super reachable $10 minimum payout. If you only have a few minutes to spare, SurveyJunkie and Swagbox let you cash out at just $5. Or, if you're more into academic and behavioral research, Prolific is fantastic. The barrier to entry here is practically non-existent. You can literally start today. Now, if you want to niche down a bit, there are specialized platforms tailored to specific interests. Are you a big gamer? Well, Playtest Cloud actually pays you to test mobile games before they even hit the App Store. Pretty cool, right? If you've got a bit more time and maybe some professional experience, Respondent.io offers high-paying research interviews with a minimum payout of $20. There's also user testing for broader digital experiences and Pinecone Research for exclusive product testing. You can easily mix and match the whole shebang to fit your own unique schedule. Which brings us to Section 3, Beware of Fake Platforms. You've got to protect yourself online. Look, because this space is so wildly popular, it unfortunately attracts some bad actors. You absolutely need to know the stark contrast between red and green flags here. A legitimate platform will never, ever ask you for a sign-up or activation fee. Seriously, if they want your money to start, run the other way. Also, if a site promises you'll make hundreds of dollars a day with basically no effort, yeah, that's a scam. The green flags you really want to look for are platforms that are 100% free to join, have super transparent payment methods like PayPal, feature verified reviews on sites like Trustpilot, and use secure HTTPS encryption. Always keep your guard up. Now, to really maximize your earnings on those legit sites, you should employ a few insider tips. First, join multiple trusted platforms so you always have a steady stream of opportunities rolling in. Second, and honestly, this is absolutely crucial, complete your demographic profile thoroughly so the system can actually match you with the right studies. Always be honest in your feedback. Companies value authenticity above all else. And finally, use a decent microphone and camera. Clear audio and video will ensure your tests are accepted and you actually get invited back for more. Okay, moving into Section 4, From Pocket Money to Real Business. We're talking about the Rule of Ones framework. Testing websites is fantastic for pocket money, for sure. But how do we build a real long-term business? I absolutely love this quote from our source material by The Wanderlover. They say, most people making serious money online are not just doing one thing. They're stacking 2 or 3 or 4 income streams on top of each other. Doing surveys proves to yourself that you can actually make money online. It's the spark. But true, lasting financial freedom, that comes from diversifying and stacking those income streams over time. But, and this is a really big but, you cannot start by doing everything all at once. The source uses this brilliant analogy. When you try to chase 2 rabbits, you won't catch either one. Makes sense, right? For a busy college student trying to start a YouTube channel, launch an Etsy store, and kick off a freelance writing business all in the exact same week is just a total recipe for burnout. You absolutely must do one thing incredibly well first before you even think about expanding. So, the crucial point here is applying what's known as the rule of one's framework. If you're starting from absolute zero, you need extreme focus. You choose exactly one income-producing skill to learn. You promote it on exactly one social platform, and you provide exactly one clear offer or service to your clients. That's it. This completely eliminates the overwhelm and allows you to actually gain some real, tangible traction. So what kind of skills are we actually talking about here? Well, the sources highlight a few high-demand services that businesses will happily pay a premium for right now. Why? Simply because these skills either save a business a ton of time or they directly generate revenue for them. Things like video editing and podcast production are booming. User-generated content, or UGC creation, where brands literally pay you to make short videos for their ads without you even needing your own following, is huge right now. Or if you have specific expertise, online coaching in health, wealth, or relationships is incredibly lucrative. Pick one, just one, and master it. Let's look at Section 5, Strategy for Stacking Income Streams. This is all about building true wealth. Once your first skill is consistently generating income, you don't just work more hours to make more money. No, you strategically stack different methods of income. The very first evolution is moving away from being a faceless worker. Old school, anonymous freelancing on those massive job boards, it's incredibly difficult because it's just a race to the bottom on price. The modern approach is all about building a personal brand. By showing your face, sharing your real results, and building deep trust with an audience, you establish incredible pulling power. This is what allows you to charge premium rates because clients want to work specifically with you. Next up, you can start adding digital products to your stack. The absolute beauty of a digital product, like a template, an ebook, or a short video course, is that you create it once and then you can sell it infinitely while you sleep. But remember, the market is completely changed. People don't want broad, vague information anymore. They buy highly specific outcomes. So instead of a generic guide on business, you'd sell a targeted transformation. Something like how to land your first $1,000 client in 30 days. That is what sells. Another seriously powerful layer to add is affiliate marketing. Now, listen closely because lazy affiliate marketing, just spamming random links everywhere, is completely dead in today's landscape. Success today requires genuine, earned trust. You earn a commission by authentically recommending products you actually use in your daily life and seamlessly integrating them into your content. Over time, this compounds into this beautiful stream of passive income from blog posts or videos that you created months or even years ago. So, what does a mature online business actually look like? When you break it down, a diversified online stack creates massive stability. You might have 40% of your income coming from high-value client services, 25% from affiliate marketing, and the rest split between digital products and UGC. This diversification is absolutely key. It's like a giant safety net. If one stream dips, say you need to take time off for final exams or, just life events, the other streams just continue to support you effortlessly. To summarize your pragmatic path forward, please don't overwhelm yourself. Start right now with UX testing and surveys to generate your very first bits of fast online cash and really prove the concept to yourself. Always, always protect yourself by avoiding those red flag scam platforms. Then, when you're ready to build a real business, master exactly one high-value skill on one single platform. And once that is successful, then you gradually stack those income streams to achieve real, lasting freedom. And that brings us to the absolute most important part of this explainer, your next step. You've got the roadmap, all the way from making quick pocket money between classes to building a resilient, multi-stream online business. The only thing left to do is take action. So, as we wrap things up today, I want to leave you with one provocative question. What is the very first skill that you will start mastering today?